Tobacco side.
I'm Colin with IWI US, here with the TAVOR TS-12. It's a 12-gauge semi-automatic bullpup shotgun. It's got a 15+1 round capacity if you're firing 2 3/4-inch shells. It's 5 shells per tube. So for range purposes here today, we're only loading 2 per tube, but this way you'll have an idea of how it fires. Standard bullpup, so the weight is biased towards the rear, makes it easy to carry, easy to operate one-handed, leave your offhand free. It's a pretty comfortable shotgun overall. It's nice to shoot, low recoil. It's adjustable gas system, so if you're firing 3-inch magnums, you set it on high here. If not for today, shooting low breath, we're going to keep it set on low. It'll feed from the right or the left side. To rotate the magazine, use your trigger finger, depress this button. Roll the mag tubes around.
The board's got some products that I'm really excited about.
So we're at 6 rounds. We're going to load the elevator and then make ready.
Just shot the prototype and roll it.
Standard cross bolt safety.
Absolutely. So the weapon itself weighs in around 8 pounds. It looks like a plasma rifle. I get that. It looks real heavy. It's actually only 8 pounds.
And there it is.
Actually threaded.
TAVOR TS-12.